Hello everyone, welcome back to Fingertips. So you are looking to break into the world of cloud computing, then you are literally at the right place. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, AWS certification can really help you to take your career to the all new level. So in this video, we'll be discussing the AWS certification roadmap for the complete beginners. So let's get started. So in this video guys, we'll cover everything you need to know, like including the different certification levels, the skills you will learn at each level, different job roles with their respective salaries. But before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and explore why AWS certification is so important in today's world. Guys, as you already know that AWS is the most popular cloud platform in the market right now, used by millions of businesses and organizations of different sizes. And guys, as the demand for a cloud computing continues to grow, so does the need for a skilled professional who can design, deploy and manage cloud-based solutions. AWS certification demonstrates to potential employers that you have the knowledge and the capabilities to work with AWS and can help you to stand out in a competitive job market. So if you are ready to take the first step in your AWS certification journey, then let's get started. Guys, AWS has 4 different categories of certifications, starting from Foundational, Associate, Professional and Specialty. The category is divided according to the needs of every learner and has its own different sets of projects, level of difficulties and even choices for your desired courses. So guys, firstly, let's understand the first category of the AWS certification course. That is the Foundational category, also known as the Cloud Practitioner. This AWS Cloud Practitioner is for those who want to build and validate the overall understanding of the AWS. So if you are from a technical field, sales field, purchasing and even from a financial background, then a Cloud Practitioner certification can definitely be a good choice for you. This course will cover a range of topics related to cloud services offered by AWS with their different uses. You will also learn about the basic concepts of cloud computing, starting from the basic. You will know how databases, computer power, storage, applications and other IT resources get connected through the internet with the tag known as pay-as-you-go pricing. Yes guys, the tag pay-as-you-go pricing is a popular price tag given by AWS itself to provide you rapid access to all the flexible and low-cost IT resources that you can easily use to build and maintain the software, databases and several applications if you want to use for your organization or even for your personal use. So with pay-as-you-go price tag, you don't need to make large investments in hardware and spend a lot of time on heavy lifting of managing that hardware. What you will get is you will be able to access as many resources according to your need, and then you just need to spend for that particular feature. That's it. Just after that, you will be learning about different security measures you need to take in the AWS cloud with its different support plans and services. The course will be delivered by video lectures, demonstrations and hands-on exercises. And the main thing is that you can complete the course at your own pace. Upon completion of the course, student will have a foundational understanding about AWS services, cloud computing concepts, as well as understanding of how to get started with AWS. They will also be prepared to take the AWS Cloud Practitioner Certificate exam if they choose to do so. Also, what we suggest is when you're starting off as a beginner and decided to take this Cloud Practitioner course, firstly, you need to go through some videos to understand what is cloud computing. For that, you can check out our recent video on cloud computing for beginners. The link is given in the description below. Now talking about the different job roles that you might be able to pursue with AWS certification is that you can be a cloud support engineer, cloud sales engineer, cloud solutions architect, cloud operation engineer, DevOps engineer, etc. The average salary you can expect by getting into these types of roles is 4 to 12 lakhs per annum. Salary is based on totally skills and certifications level. So now after getting the Cloud Practitioner certificate, or we can say that the Foundational course certificate, you can successfully aim for an Associate certificate now, where you will be learning about cloud architect training. So that will be going to be a second level. So guys, this certification course category will let you master the core skills required for designing and developing several applications on AWS just by using some tools like Amazon EC2, Amazon ECS, AWS Lambda, Amazon DynamoDB and many more. But guys, make sure not to directly jump into this certification category as it requires some prior experience in the cloud. Firstly, what we suggest you is to go with Cloud Practitioner certificate first and then move on to this category so that you will be able to move with a proper path. Also, if you are into stuff related to deployment and building applications, then you can go with System Administrator field just by opting for the SysOps Administrator Associate Certificate. That will surely give your skills a boost. The main benefit you will get while following this journey, or we can say that the roadmap, is that when you complete one category in this certification course, you will find it easier for you to start searching for the other ones. With this, let's again move on to the roadmap and see some professional categories of this certification course. So at the third level, we have the Professional Certification Category. It is one of the most difficult certification in the complete category of this cloud computing process. Guys, this certification process will test your ability to understand real-world skills. That will definitely give you a boost to your knowledge to design, optimize and modernize cloud-based applications so that the process of automation can be performed easily. So guys, if your resume or portfolio has this certification attached to it, your chances of getting a job will definitely going to be double. But again, be sure to complete all these associate exams first before tackling the professional certification. Now coming back to the roadmap, the fourth and the last category of this roadmap is full of different specialty programs. The special certification will help you gain knowledge in a specialized domain. They are definitely a great way if you want to gain some expertise and level up in your career. Guys, we highly recommend you to enroll in this specialty program so that you can not only gain external knowledge on databases, security, machine learning, advanced networking, data analytics, etc. And you can learn about different cloud computing but also learn about the related tech fields too. With this, I would say that there is no specific path or a roadmap to AWS certification. Like, it totally depends on you and your area of interest and personal goals. Like, if you want to do more than 2 certificates, 3 certificates or even 5, you can do it. It totally depends on how much time you are going to dedicate. But guys, be sure to figure out which certificate fits best for you before opting for any other courses or certification program, as by doing this, you'll not only end up losing your precious time, as at the end of the day, what matters is the skills and the knowledge you gain from this certification course. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Fingertips. Till then, happy learning.